everybody, welcome to another episode of Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai.
And I'm Brent.
And Brent, we've got a box here of something.
We do. What do we have here? It's a box that has no logo. It's a mystery box.
Yeah, it was just dropped off to us by our buddy Ken.
Oh, yep. Kenny was delivery.
Yeah, so he bought us a...
Unveil!
He bought us a... Oh, look at that.
Wow.
He bought us a pizza. It's a large,
It's
too.
a large
great.
pizza from Joe's Family Pizzeria in Pembroke, Ontario. And Joe's is supposed to be in the upper echelon, the premier of local pizzerias.
Yeah, he's got many awards. He's into some stores with the kits for kids, for school. He's done very well. I think he's been in operation for about 7 years, possibly, maybe more.
Yeah.
But he's very well known. I haven't tried their pizza yet. I don't know why I haven't tried it yet, but I'm trying it today. It looks great. It's got olives, it's got cheese, it's got bacon. So let's just get into this. What do you think, Brett?
Sure, yeah, serve it up there. And while you're doing
I'm just going to turn it around so it's going to be easier for me to... Woohoo!
So so it's got the pepperoni, Italian sausage, bacon, green peppers, onions, mushrooms, and green olives.
Oh, this is a deluxe pizza then.
That's the deluxe, okay.
Oh man, you know, I'm gonna buy Ken something really nice for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bud.
Ooh,
so, there you go.
Oh, look
yeah.
Oh, wow.
I know,
that's so good.
Eh? Does it ever smell good though, eh?
It does.
And it looks great. It looks amazing.
Guys, this pizza goes for a retail price of $29.49. It's a large pizza, and I hear really good things about Joe's Pizzeria.
Yeah, it's got 12 slices. It's a regular crust pizza. It looks phenomenal. The cheese that he's using is a high-end mozzarella by just looking at this. You gonna try it first?
Let's go at the same time.
All right, cheers, bud.
Cheers,
Here
bud.
we go.
Now that's a mighty fine pizza.
That's a really good pizza.
That's how you make a pizza.
The flavors are good. It's not over salty. Because some of the pizzas that we have, or that we buy, especially from the big pizza joints like Pizza or Pizza Hut or Caesar, they seem to have a little bit too much salt in it, don't you think? This has the perfect amount of sodium.
Yeah, they put too much salt in the crust generally at like fast food joints and stuff like that. But on this one, you can taste the difference between the bacon, like the saltiness of the bacon, and the green olives. So it's not just a whole wash of salt. It's there's a whole flavor parade going on in your mouth.
And you know what's happening here? This is real bacon. It's not the bacon bits that you get in the packages. This is real bacon. Generously cut up so that you have lots of good chunks of bacon in here. The crust is perfect. This is a really, really nice. No wonder why he's doing so well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we hear a lot of good things from like people in town. So yeah, this is a great pizza. You know what? The only thing that's missing?
Oh, a dip.
That too. Yep. But a beer. You can't have pizza without a beer, unless you're underage, and then you can have it with pop.
Yeah, well, I gotta get going and do other stuff, so I can't have a beer. But you can have a beer if you want. Are you good? You good there, bud? You know, delicious pizza, guys.
All those toppings just kind of came all topped.
Joe's Family Pizzeria is in Pembroke, Ontario. If you're ever in from out of town or whatever, make sure you go see them. They also have poutines. They also have fries. They also have...
if you guys are really looking for a challenge, the 30-inch challenge pizza, I think the thing is 3 guys on a team, and you got to eat the whole thing, and then you get it for free. I think Carrie was telling me that it was like $120-ish
for the pizza.
Yeah,
I've seen them on advertising that. This thing is like massive.
Yeah. So guys, check it out. Head on down to Joe's Family Pizzeria. Grab yourself a deluxe or whatever tickles your fancy. Even sign up for the 30-inch pizza challenge.
Yeah.
And
maybe we should do that, and we should maybe
we could do that.
Do a little video on it and seeing if we can finish it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but again, this is pretty hefty pizza. It's got a lot of cheese on there. It's got a lot of ingredients on there.
It would be a challenge to
It
get
would
that
be a
big
challenge. Yeah, like
outlet
this
in
would
there.
be a challenge for you and I to eat this large. I mean, maybe not you, but me for sure. I could only have a couple more pieces. But yeah,
sure.
guys, make sure you go see Joe's Family Pizzeria in Pembroke. Amazing people too, as well, from what I understand. Joe's an incredible guy. His staff is amazing. So yeah, make sure that you follow us on Shits and Giggles on our YouTube channel, as well as
SNG Live on Rumble and SNG Live on Facebook.
yeah. Let's get at this. This is great. I love this. Yeah, here we go.
Thanks for watching, guys.